I was proud and grateful to be there at the start of this distinguished career in the Supreme Court, and I'm very proud to be here today on his announcement of his retirement. I will select a nominee worthy of Justice Breyer's legacy of excellence and decency. While I've been studying candidates' backgrounds and writings, I've made no decision except one. The person I will nominate will be someone with extraordinary qualifications, character, experience, and integrity. And that person will be the first Black woman ever nominated to the United States Supreme Court. You've heard me say in other nomination processes that the Constitution says seek the advice and consent, but the advice as well of the Senate. And it is my intention to announce my decision before the end of February.
This is a complicated country. There are more than 330 million people. And my mother used to say it's every race, it's every religion, and she would emphasize this, and it's every point of view possible. And it's a kind of miracle. People have come to accept this Constitution, and they've come to accept the importance of a rule of law. But I'll tell you what Lincoln thought, what Washington thought, and what people today still think. It's an experiment. We are now engaged in a great civil war to determine whether that nation or any nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure.
Everyone knows that Stephen Breyer has been an exemplary justice. Fair to the parties before him, courteous to his colleagues, careful in his reasoning. He's written landmark opinions on topics ranging from reproductive rights to health care, to voting rights, to patent law, to laws protecting our environment and the laws that protect our religious practices. His opinions are practical, sensible, and nuanced. It reflects his belief that the job of a judge is not to lay down a rule, but to get it right. And he has patiently sought common ground and built consensus, seeking to bring the court together. I think he's a model public servant in a time of great division in this country.